I'm standing here at probably one of the coolest projects that I've ever done, and we have an open house mixer to showcase, to show some people, and I'm very uncomfortable with this because as much as I love doing what I do, then it's the, oh look here it is, look what I did part that I'm struggling with a lot. And I don't know if it's an ego thing or if it's purely knowing that this is what I do and wanting people to know, but on the same token, do I want all those that are fairly close to me and the VIP people that are coming out here to really know it and to have me be here? It would be easier for me to not be here and let people see it and think how cool it is versus having to face it. So I'm kind of in a weird place right now, and I'm glad people are coming out to see it because I do think it's some of the coolest stuff I've ever seen and ever worked on.
Looks like there's an event going on.
It looks like there's an event going on. This is the cool open house at the pool that the pool guy is just so super proud of because it's just awesome. So come on in.
So it, you know, instead of having this whole thing fenced in, it sort of opens up the... Alright, well I had a customer, it was last fall, they came to me and they said, hey, we want this pool in their yard, and I looked out in the backyard and literally it was a swamp. This backyard is a swamp. The criteria was we want it to be at least 7 foot deep, we want a rock waterfall slide, we want a swim up bar, and we want a sun ledge. And to me it was a pretty tall order to create all of that within the space of a swamp. And with the way the yard was, we literally built the yard up and created this amazingly cool space that has a swim up bar and bar stools in the pool, sun ledge that people can sit on in this much water, 12 inches of water, a grotto that behind the waterfall, you can sit behind the waterfall, and then kind of the coolest function of the whole pool is the slide that goes from the upper pool to the lower pool. And because we didn't have elevation to work with going down in the ground, we brought the pool up. And when we brought the pool up, it created a space for us to do a slide down to the lower pool. So with all of that, a lot of really cool stuff came with the elevations and playing with them. So we have these extra bar areas that were all at the right level, and the swim up bar and the tiki bar and all of that, and it just turned out to be a really, really cool project. Water coming down now. So it's the layer of water that you slide on. It's not so much the surface. How long did it take? Alright, so this pool took a lot of sweat, a little bit of tears, and a lot of work. Yeah, which kept it all level and easy.
We'll start here and we'll go around. What do you think of the pool?
The pool is amazing. The different levels are unique.
Ask the Pool Guy is awesome. I've never seen a pool like this. I can't imagine the creativity that went into this, and Ask the Pool Guy is who I'd go with every bit of the way.
The pool is awesome. It's a staycation. You never have to go anywhere. And if we had to get our pool done, which we're planning to do, Ask the Pool Guy.
This pool is so fantastic. I feel like I am truly at a resort.
I think this is absolutely top-notch and a representation of what the pool guy can do for you. So you should hire him.
I think all the adjectives have been used already, but it's a phenomenal pool. And yeah. And I just love the sound of the water. And of course Al would have to be the pool builder.
Excellent.